In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Miro. If you've recently experienced a name change or simply want to update your current profile, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and simple as possible. First, start by launching Miro and logging into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile avatar. This is the small circular picture or icon that represents your account. Click on this avatar to open a drop-down menu with several different options. From this list, you'll select the one labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will direct you to the Profile Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're on the Profile Settings page, your focus should be on the Profile tab. This section contains important personal information, including your name. Look for the fields marked First Name and Last Name. Here, you'll input the updated name you wish to use. Simply click on each field and type in your new first name and last name as desired. Make sure everything is spelled correctly to avoid any mistakes. One of the great things about Miro is its automatic saving feature. Once you've typed in your new name, Miro takes care of saving the changes for you, eliminating the need for a manual save button. After you've entered your updated name, keep an eye out for a green check mark that will appear on your screen. This check mark is your confirmation, letting you know that the name saved successfully. Just to recap, the process involves navigating to your profile avatar at the top right of the Miro dashboard, selecting the Settings option from the drop-down menu, and then updating your first and last name in the designated fields within the Profile tab. There's no hassle with hitting a Save button because Miro completes this task directly for you. If at any point you encounter issues finding the settings, or if the changes don't seem to take effect right away, try refreshing your browser. Occasionally, updates may require a quick refresh to fully display in your account. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your name in Miro, making sure your profile accurately reflects your updated personal information. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to make this update, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your Miro experience.